what is your name?
I'm Nelly Antonio,
How old are you?
41 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
I'm single mom.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have
Okay, how many kids? How old?
14 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Okay, so how about in the other countries? Do you have working experience?
Yes, 4 years in Middle East.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
2 years
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
in Hong Kong.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,400 square meter.
Okay, how many family member there?
4,
How many children?
1,
How old?
2 years old now.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 6:30 in the morning. I prepare breakfast. And after breakfast, I wash dishes and cleaning cleaning the room, all the house.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, I go to the market, prepare everything for lunch, and then serve them the lunch, and then wash the dishes. Then pick up some parcel if she have a parcel. Then after that, ironing, and then prepare the dinner and
Okay.
serve the dinner, and then wash the dishes, and then clean the bathroom and kitchen.
Okay. Okay, so what time you go to bed?
9:30.
9:30. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.